video you are going to do the another book back exercise on auxiliary verb only. So this is in your book page number 57. So what we are going to do in this exercise, you are going to make a negative sentence and also a question sentence. Okay. So in the previous videos we have already learnt about how to make negative sentence and also about the question sentence with the help of auxiliary verb. So with the usage of auxiliary verb, how can we make negative sentence and also the question sentence we have already learned. And in this video you are going to do, you are going to make both this negative sentence and as well as the question sentence only. Okay. So there are 6 questions. In this video we are going to do only the 3 questions, and in the next video we will be doing the next 3 questions. Okay. So let's start doing the exercise now. So before that, let me give you the short recap on negative sentence. So how can we make negative sentence? Yes, by using and in a sentence it made as the what? Negative sentence only. So what is the rule? If there is an auxiliary verb and also the main verb, we need to add not in between auxiliary verb as well as the main verb. If there is no auxiliary verb means we need to use do form verb according to the time of the action. Okay. We need to use do form verb and then not and then main verb only. Okay. What about the question? Yes, for the questions or sentence also we need to check whether the sentence contains the auxiliary verb with the main verb or not. So here if there is an auxiliary verb with the main verb in a sentence, then we need to write the auxiliary verb in the first, then only the subject and then all other things. And if there is no auxiliary verb means for both the things we will use do form verb only. So for making the question we will write do form verb first and then subject and then other thing. Okay. Let's start doing the exercise now. Turn each sentences into negative sentence and a question. Okay. I already said it is in your book bag page number 57. Okay. So let's read out the question first. Okay. They play tennis on Sundays. They play tennis on Sundays. Can you find any auxiliary verb here? For all the question you need to check whether the sentence contains the auxiliary verb or not. Okay. Can you find any auxiliary verb here? No, there is no auxiliary verb, but there is a main verb only. So if there is no auxiliary verb, how can we make? Let's do the negative sentence first for the all the question and then the question sentence. Okay. So in first dash we are going to write the negative sentence. In second dash we are going to write the question sentence. Okay. Let's do the negative sentence first. So if there is no auxiliary verb, then we need to use do form verb only. So here this sentence is a present time sentence only. How? Because they are using what? They are using the present time verb. That is they play tennis on Sunday. So இங்க வந்து அவர்கள் வந்து Sundaysல play பண்ணுவாங்க. This is the normal usual thing. Okay. So this is a present time verb only. So for the present time verb, which do form verb we need to use? Do or does only. For the subject they, we need to use do only. Okay. We need to use do only for the present time. So let's make the negative sentence for this question. Okay. They, what we need to write first? We need to write the subject as it is they. Then after that we need to use do form verb, that is do here. Do, and then what I need to write? Yes, not, to make it into negative, not, and then main verb, and all other things will come as it is. They do not play tennis on Sundays. Now this sentence is the negative sentence. How? See, they do not play tennis on Sundays. அவர்கள் Sundaysல play பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. Now we have already created the negative sentence. Okay. Let's make the question sentence. Okay. For this question, they play tennis on Sundays. For this sentence only we are going to make question. Now to this negative sentence. Remember that. Okay. For this question only we are going to make the question sentence now. Okay. What is the rule? If there is an auxiliary verb, then we will put the auxiliary verb first and then the subject and then all other thing. If there is no auxiliary verb means we need to use do form verb first and then subject and all other thing only. Okay. So in this sentence does it contain the auxiliary verb or not? Yes, there is no auxiliary verb. So I am going to use the second rule. making the question. After writing do form verb, what we need to write? See here. Yes, subject only. We need to write the subject. What is the subject here? That is they. Do they? Then all other things, all other words will come as it is. Do they play tennis on Sundays? And it ends with what, children? Yes, it ends with question mark, because we have made the question sentence, and remember that always the question sentence ends with question mark. So do they play tennis on Sundays? It means what? அவர்கள் வந்து Sundaysல tennis play பண்ணுவாங்களா? This is the question sentence. Okay. I hope you are clear with this first one. Let's do the second. Meeta has slept early today. Meeta இன்னைக்கு சீக்கிரமாவே தூங்கிட்டாங்க, படுத்துட்டாங்க. Okay. This is the sentence here. Can you find the auxiliary verb here? For each question, you have to read out the question first, and then you need to find the auxiliary verb, whether this auxiliary verb comes with the main verb or not. Okay. Can you find the auxiliary verb here? Yes. What is it? Yes, that is has. Has is an auxiliary verb. Does this has comes with a main verb? Yes, that is a main verb, that is slept. So here, for making the negative sentence, we need to apply this rule. That is, first we need to write the subject, then auxiliary verb, then the word not, and then the main verb and all other things. Okay. So here now this sentence is going to be comes like Meeta. Then what we need to write? Yes, auxiliary verb, that is has, and then not, and then the main verb, that is slept, will come as it is, and then all other word. Early today. Meeta has not slept early today is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's make the question sentence. So here there is an auxiliary verb with the main verb, means we need to apply the first rule. That is, we need to write the auxiliary verb first, and then the subject, and then the subject and all other things. Okay. So here, which is the auxiliary verb? Yes, that is has. So has will come first, and then the subject Meeta, and then the main verb slept, and then all other word, that is early today. Okay. Has Meeta slept early today? Meeta இன்னைக்கு சீக்கிரமா படுத்துட்டாங்களா? See here, there is an auxiliary verb and also the main verb. So we have written auxiliary verb first, then subject, and then all other things. And we have already created the negative sentence also, that is Meeta has not slept early today. That means what? Meeta இன்னைக்கு சீக்கிரமா தூங்கல. Okay. Now let's do the third one. My uncle loves shopping. My uncle loves shopping. என்னுடைய மாமாக்கு ஷாப்பிங் பண்றது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். Okay. So let's find out the auxiliary verb here. Can you find any auxiliary verb here? No, there is no auxiliary verb. So what we need to do? Then we are going to use the second, that is the do form verb only here. Okay. So my uncle loves shopping. So here there is no auxiliary verb, there is only the main verb loves. So I am going to apply the second rule, that is, if there is no auxiliary verb for the negative sentence, we need to use do form verb, and then not, and then main verb. So here loves, this love stands for the present time only. Okay. So if they are talking about the present time, then which present verb I need to use for my uncle to the singular person? Yes, does only. So does is the present time verb which talk about the singular noun only, which is used to talk with the singular noun. So here I am going to write the subject as it is, that is my uncle. The do form verb, that is does. Then what I need to write to make the negative? Yes, not. My uncle does not. Then love shopping will come as it is, love shopping. My uncle does not love shopping is the negative sentence. என்னுடைய அங்கிளுக்கு ஷாப்பிங் பண்றது பிடிக்காது. Okay. Now let's make the question sentence. So here there is no auxiliary verb. Then what we need to do? What we need to use? Yes, we need to use do family only, do form verb only. So here we have learned that for this sentence which do family verb, do form verb we need to use, that is does only. So here we are going to make the question sentence. We have find out the do form verb for this sentence, that is does. What we need to do, first we need to write the does and then the subject, that is my uncle, and then all other things. So let's do does my uncle, that is subject, love shopping. All other things will come as it is. My uncle, does my uncle love shopping? Engaludi uncle ku shopping panna pidikuma is the correct question sentence. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this 3 questions, children. I'll see you in the next video by doing the another 3 questions. Okay. If I request you also to try. You can also try the next 3 questions, because we have learned how to do, right? So you can try the another 3 questions by yourself. Okay. Thank you.